My name is Jody Hunter, and I'm owner and operator of Studio 23, located in St. Anne, Manitoba. I discovered audio engineering as a career path by going to concerts and actually working at venues doing security for them. And I wanted to participate in the community a little bit more, and I found audio engineering was the next segue into the industry. A typical day as an engineer when I have a session is I show up to the studio about an hour and a half prior to a band coming in, and I'll get everything set up, make sure there's hot coffee for when they roll in, because who doesn't like coffee to start their day? And I will just make sure everything's nice and neat and organized and clean, because a healthy environment is a creative environment. I think the best thing I like about my career, and it has nothing to do with being a studio owner or even an engineer, but it's being able to help create music with other individuals and share that gift with the world. Because music will change your mood and inspire you to keep pushing through when you think that, you're having a rough day. Well, I'll get you out of that funk. The skills and knowledge I learned at Mid-Ocean was everything. Everything that has to do with my career, I only learned at Mid-Ocean. I had no prior knowledge or experience in audio, and I'm very grateful that they gave me a shot to pursue this wonderful career. I decided to take the audio program at MOSMA because when I transitioned out of the Canadian Armed Forces, I wanted to get into audio engineering. And I researched a few different institutions throughout Canada, and with Mid-Ocean School of Media Arts being in Winnipeg in a local facility for me, that was a huge plus. But also the curriculum was a lot more in depth and touched on more mediums than any of the other schools, so I was allowed to get a more well-rounded education. My favorite part of studying at MOSMA was the environment. It was the staff, it was my peers, and that's what made it enjoyable coming to class every day to learn, because it was a healthy, supportive, and welcoming environment that allowed me to build that confidence. The professional highlight of my career so far has been winning the Loud Music Awards Studio of the Year for the last 2 years in a row. And by doing so, this gives me a lot of confidence that I'm on the right path and I'm truly helping and inspiring our other peers within the community. My advice to anyone is if you have passion for any subject, go for it. Because if you're passionate about it, you're going to be intrigued by it and inspired by it, and you'll keep pushing forward. I would recommend coming to Mid-Ocean School of Media Arts to anybody. There's no demographic that I wouldn't recommend this program to, whether or not you're just fresh out of high school or later in life wanting to learn for your own personal interest. It's a great program in a very supportive environment, and I'll always cherish my time here.